Arctic, a remote, vast, and ice-covered region. These conditions produce major obstacles for research scientists who want to collect observational datasets. Only reinforced vessels like the KV Svalbard are able to voyage deep into the ice. In lieu of observations, scientists can use satellite data for sea ice thickness estimates, sea ice type, and topography. Even though satellites have been collecting sea ice data since 1979, validation of those values is still required. This is where drones can help. They provide high-resolution scans, capturing ice surface features like ridges on a much finer scale than satellites are able. The following drones were used during the UAK 2021 cruise north of Svalbard.
So while this drone is flying, it's taking pictures of the ground or on the ice. So the drone data is used again to bridge the gap between the in-situ point measurements and the satellite measurements from space.
ROVs enable us to film the ice from underneath and discover new structures. From above we can of course see the structures of the ridges and the surface of the ice, but it's a whole other world underneath.